Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the brand new update of the JustFit Lazy Workout App. And trust me, this one's worth checking out. Whether you're a beginner, a busy person, or just someone who loves working out from the couch. No judgment here. This update has something for you. Let's get into it. First up, what's actually new in this update? JustFit has introduced AI-based personalized plans that adapt to your schedule and fitness level. A new 7-minute lazy challenge, designed for people who want results but have minimal time. Better tracking with Apple Health and Google Fit integration. And finally, a fresh UI design, much cleaner and easier to navigate. I've been testing the app for a week now and the new interface is super intuitive. The workouts are still short, simple, and effective, but now they feel a lot more custom tailored. The AI even adjusted my rest days after noticing I skipped a few sessions. Alright, let's break it down with some pros and cons. Pros. Easy to use, especially for beginners. No equipment needed. New features actually make the app smarter. Excellent for people working from home or with a sedentary lifestyle. Cons. Some advanced users might still find the routines too easy. A few features are locked behind the premium plan. So, is it worth updating or downloading JustFit now? Absolutely. If you're looking for a simple, lazy-friendly fitness app that actually motivates you, this new version is their best yet. Just don't expect to get ripped overnight. This app is all about consistency with minimal effort. If you've tried the new JustFit update, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest app reviews and fitness tips. See you in the next one. And remember, lazy workouts are still workouts.